delete this. Okay, delete this as well. Okay, if I add the this time data labels, you can see it's been jazzy over here. Okay, so recommended, turn off this grid line, turn off this data labels, even turn on this chart title as well. Okay, keep it like this. Okay, if in case you want to add those as a pointers, okay, like which is the highlighted one or the maximum one, bullet pointers one. What you can do over here is simply go here, change chart type, select this with markers and keep it this one. Okay, now you can see these dots over here. And if I hover my mouse over here, I can see the values like this. Cool. Isn't that beautiful? Let's do a control X from here. Go here at the bottom and paste it over here. Perfect. This is kind of a KPI calculation over here. Now, what I want to create a dashboard kind of flow over here. Okay. So I will add this in the dashboard. Okay. To do that, what I'm going to do is I'll just say new. Okay. So create a new sheet over here. Let's call this as a dashboard. Okay. And here I'll just turn on this grid lines like this. And the column width, I'll set this as a, you know, this one I'm height over here, column width from this to 20. So let's say 20 and hit a OK button over here. And that's how the overall column width I have changed it over here. Now here I will say A1, which is this to until N2. Okay, like this, simply select this entirely. Okay, and go at the top, call this as a sales and KPI dashboard, right? So whatever we have typed over here, simply copy this, go here and paste it over here. Perfect. Increase this. Once it is done, okay, make it like this, make it bold, good. And I will fill this color as a dark blue. Text will be like this. Okay, white font, and we'll keep it this as a 24. Makes sense for me. Okay, cool. So here I'm going to add the shapes over here now. Okay, so here let's go at the top and insert this rounded shapes over here. Let's insert the shapes like this. So when we talk about revenue, so always remember we can use the icon section as well. Let's go at the top, insert icon, couple of sections over here. Let's say you know, revenue. If in case it's not really getting, okay, we can select any other revenue logo there, right? Simply select this. If I want to add as a shopping as well, I can select that as well. Shopping. Okay. You can add n numbers of logos there. Okay, folks. It's not that you have to always mandate this particular logos. You can just say this sales, and I'll add a couple of more logos there. Business. Okay. And if in case it's not really met the requirement, we can simply delete that. Okay, and add the new logos as well. That's not that. We have to stick with this particular logos only. Okay. So here I will say this is a total revenue. So when we say total revenue, here I'll call this as a is equal to, go here and select this and hit a enter button. Cool. Let's say centrally align, increase this. And here I'll call this as a, let's go here, shape format. Okay. Let's say no fill, and my entire text should be in black. Okay. And make it bold. Perfect. So that's how I have added this KPI card over here. And since we have already inserted this logo, let me just insert this and keep it like this. What exactly it is? So we have to add that text over here. Okay. Go here, insert, and then text, which is text to box. And let's call this as a total revenue. Total revenue, increase it. Okay. And keep it like this. And here, what I was thinking, okay, so instead of keeping this as a blank, I will just go with the theme. So let's say this, okay, even this as well, this particular text. Good. And this one we can change as per the overall theme. So let's say this particular part. What I'm gonna do over here is simply select this, Control C, Control V, okay, and move this to here. Perfect. I'll just call this as a units sold. Okay. And this time we'll delete this. And we are talking about units sold. So I think this particular logo works over here. Okay. It is not that you always have to stick with this logos. Okay. You can change these logos as well. If in case you feel that something else is better than this, you can simply change that. Select this, maybe any different color. You can simply select this, a format, outline, be this. Okay. My text this time will keep it green. This one also the green. Okay, but this entire logic, okay, we have to ensure that we're taking the appropriate values there. Let's say is equal to, go here, unit sold is this. Perfect. Okay, simply select this, go here, and increase the size. Okay, so what is the size for this? We have kept it as a 36. So always keep the same amount of size. Okay, so it will make the consistency and build the trust as well, the overall visual glance over here. Good. So this is how I have added this. And if in case you want to add the circle at the background, you can simply add the filled circle over here. It will give you the overall